Discover the future of home security with N.S.L Security Systems Limited. Our bespoke home automation security lighting seamlessly integrates with our intruder alarm system. Control, automate, and schedule lighting. Lights and sirens activate upon intruder detection or panic button press. But that's just the beginning. Our home automation security lighting offers not only enhanced security, but also the convenience of a well-lit, welcoming home with advanced control options. You can create the perfect ambience for any occasion.